Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 12:45 a.m. At 10:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Black Onet Point, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, North Beach, Black Onet Point, Dares Beach, James Island, Tillman Island, and Chesapeake Beach. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.